Natural bean, wheat flour, and flaxseed facial mask for glowing skin. Hello, beautiful souls. Today I'm sharing a nourishing all-natural facial mask recipe that's gentle, effective, and easy to make at home. This one is packed with traditional skin-loving ingredients like green bean, white soya bean, red bean, wheat flour, and the amazing flaxseed. The three types of beans are blended into a fine powder. Flaxseed is also blended into a fine powder, and wheat flour is added directly. When these are mixed with aloe vera gel and honey, they create a luxurious mask that soothes, brightens, and hydrates your skin. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Make the powder you'll need: green beans, white soya beans, red beans, flax seeds. Wheat flour: wash the green beans, white soya beans, red beans, and flax seeds thoroughly. Then let them dry completely. Once dry, blend the green beans, red beans, and white soya beans together into a fine powder. Then blend the flax seeds separately into powder. Mix all the powders together and add wheat flour. Store this complete powder mix in an airtight jar for future use. Asterisk: why these ingredients? Wheat flour gently exfoliates, fades pigmentation, and leaves the skin soft and bright. Green bean has anti-inflammatory and cooling properties, perfect for calming breakouts and purifying the skin. White soya bean is rich in antioxidants that help firm and brighten your complexion. Red bean works as a gentle exfoliator to remove dull, dead skin cells. Flaxseed is full of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce fine lines, lock in moisture, and improve skin elasticity. Asterisk: together, they create a powerful powder blend that detoxifies, smooths, and rejuvenates the skin. Asterisk: step 2. Mix the mask in a clean bowl. Combine asterisk 1 spoon of your prepared bean powder mix, 1 spoon of wheat flour, 1 spoon of flaxseed powder, 2 spoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 spoon of raw honey. Mix well until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Aloe vera hydrates and soothes the skin. Honey adds glow, reduces bacteria, and helps retain moisture. Step 3. Apply the mask. Start by cleansing your face and gently patting it dry with a soft towel. Apply the mask evenly to your face using a clean brush or your fingertips. Avoiding the eye and lip areas, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. You may feel a slight tightening. That's the natural firming effect at work. Asterisk step 4. Rinse and moisturize. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Using gentle circular motions to exfoliate the skin, naturally pat your face dry and apply your favorite moisturizer, followed by UV sunscreen to protect your glowing skin throughout the day. Asterisk: best result to use this mask 3 times per week for the best results. My personal experience: I've been using this mask made from beans, wheat flour, and flaxseed, and it has truly helped me remove dark spots, smooth out uneven skin tone, and give my face a healthy, natural glow. Flaxseed especially acts like natural Botox. It tightens, lifts, and improves skin elasticity, giving a more youthful appearance over time. And that's it. Your own powerful plant-based facial mask, made with love and simple ingredients from your kitchen. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Until next time, take care and glow naturally. It's perfect for anyone who wants chemical-free beauty and real results. Subscribe and join me in glowing naturally from the inside out.